Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Hey everyone, so today I wanted to show you how to make a little pamper gift for Mother's Day. Mothers do so much, and you know, it can be very tiring and stressful being a mother sometimes, so we're going to make them a little gift to help them relax. If you're interested in me showing you how to do this pamper gift, then please keep watching. So the things you're going to need to make this gift are a coffee mug, or maybe a mason jar or some sort of small jar to put your items in. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to fill our jar or coffee mug with small little items to help pamper moms. And it can obviously cater to your mother what she likes, but I just have some things for examples. So the things I'm going to be putting in mine, I have this argan oil, intense deep conditioning hair treatment. I have some of these little chocolates. I have a Starbucks instant coffee, a bath bomb, and a little pack of hot chocolate. So I think these are just nice things that mothers might like to use. Like I said, it can cater to your own mother. You know, like I said, this is like a conditioning hair mask. You could maybe do a face mask. If you have like a small lotion, if they don't like chocolate, you know, some of their smaller favorite candies or treats. I have hot chocolate and tea, but if, you know, they prefer, or I'm going to say hot chocolate and coffee, but if they prefer tea, you can put tea bags in there. You know, like a little nail polish or chapstick, lip balm, something. Just things to help them, you know, have a little time and take care of themselves a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I had it situated in mine, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of how you could do this if you want. Like I said, I have a coffee mug, and that's kind of why, one of the reasons I did the little coffee and the hot chocolate, just because it goes with the mug. But you don't have to do the same stuff. But I'm just going to kind of sit my stuff in here. I've got my little, you know, actually this is bigger, so I'm going to put this in the back. So I'm going to put my hair conditioning treatment in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the hot chocolate. I might have to fold it a little bit, but that's okay. Get that in there. And then I can go ahead and stick my little coffee. Actually, I'm going to put a chocolate in here, maybe kind of prop it up a little bit. And then stick the coffee right there. The chocolate's kind of propping it up. And then maybe put a little chocolate in the front. And then just put my bath bomb like right in the middle. Like I said, however you want to do it, just to fit it in there, situate it to make it look nice. If you have a mason jar, maybe you could wrap a ribbon around it. I'm not sure how a ribbon would look on this. I might try it out myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I want to wish all the mothers happy Mother's Day. We appreciate it so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.